Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and man, I love to keep my cars looking clean, and I wanted to try out the new CarPRO Darkside for my tires. I want to show you how well it works. All right, y'all, as far as DIYs go, this is really simple. So this is kind of, half DIY and half product review. So I've used a ton of products on my tires over the years, and some of them go brown really quickly, some of them sling off, some of them don't last very long. But when I heard about this new Darkside from CarPRO and Sky's the Limit Car Care, I really wanted to try out. Now, they say that it'll last up to about 3 months, depending on your conditions. In their own testing, they've shown that if you're in the driving rain, all the time, it'll last about a month. But I'm excited by this. The results I've seen look really good, and most of the tire care I use only lasts like maybe a week at best. So something that could last a month, let alone 3 months, yeah, sign me up. All right, so one of the very first things you want to do is clean your car really thoroughly. I'll spare you that process. You want to make sure your tires are really good. You clean them off, take off any other product that you had before, any dirt and grime, that sort of thing, and then we're going to dive into it on how to apply this onto the tires. All right, y'all, so now with my tires clean and dry, all cleaned up, and I scrubbed them off really well. I'm going to use a microfiber towel in this case. Now, you can use your favorite tire applicator, kind of foam block or microfiber applicator. I'm actually out of them. So I'm going to just sacrifice a microfiber towel. So this really is straightforward. I mean, as far as the DIY, this is about as easy as it gets. This is more looking at how the product performs and what it looks like when it's done than, direct instruction on how to do this, because it's pretty simple. But it's going on really easy. As you can see, if you have low profile tires, make sure to get underneath the bead from this edge as well. That way it doesn't stand out. And then also, if you have low profile tires, make sure that you roll the car back once you get a chance, so you can get the very bottom edge that you can't get because it's sitting on the ground. Okay, I like it so far. This looks really good so far. And actually it doesn't smell bad either, which is a nice change. A lot of car products don't smell all that great. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one tire on camera day. I'm going to do the other 4. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But then I'm also going to give it, it says hour to 2 hours on the guide, or on the information for the products. So I'm probably going to give it 2 hours to dry. And then I'm going to do a second coat. Because if I'm going to do this, I might as well do it right. Plus, I would love if this lasted for a big chunk of the summer. All right, so I'm going to finish up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, y'all, so here outside, so you can get a look out in the daylight. You can also see my painter's tape trick. So that is the down edge. So when I was putting the product on, remember we couldn't get that one edge because it was on the downside of the asphalt. So when you back up or you move your car, this way, I put a little bit of painter's tape so I can find that edge really easily and make sure that it's coated. All right, but this looks really good. Now, application is about the same as just about anything else you do for tire coating. This is completely dry, and you can see just the shine on it, and the coating looks really good. I'm really pleased. I'm glad I picked up some of this, and I'm really excited to see how this lasts over the next 3 months. All right, y'all, so all done, go and clean up. And this really isn't a hard project, and it's more demonstrating what it does than how to do it. It's pretty simple to put it on, but I'm really impressed. I cannot wait to see how well this lasts over the next 1 to 3 months, especially with the weather getting better. Clearly looks really good and can really bring some pop to your wheels. So make sure to check this out. Thank you to Sky's the Limit Car Care and CarPRO for making such a fantastic product. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on my next video.